turned up, you turned down, take that ass home. If it ain't about that money, I can't stay long. I woke up counting money after my day gone. If I'm riding with them, I'm fixie, famous, forever.
Mixed by Story.
I'm popping willies on a Wednesday. Yeah. I'm popping willies on a
Yes, sir. Welcome to BlocBoi TV. Enjoy the show. Come tap in with me. We got a lot going on around here. Who that? Who that? You see the big boys? Yeah, they just came out. The goon, that's me. That's me. You know what I mean? Yeah. Ready to get knocked out? Stronger than I thought. I'll get you next time. Let's call this nigga Whooda. Woody woo! Woody woo!
Hello?
Yo!
What's the deal, yo?
What's cracking?
Shit, right here on my way to get a haircut real quick.
Trilla.
Hell yeah, what's the deal, yo?
The goon van need a oil change one time.
What you trying to, what, you wanted me to do it or something?
I mean, we could do it together, you feel me? Pause.
Right, yeah, shit, I'm with it. For sure, shit, I'll call you when I'm leaving, when I get out the haircut. Shit.
Yeah, I'm about to get up and get dressed right now. I'll meet. Yeah, call me when you're about to go over there and I'll meet you over there. Yes, sir. One. Yes, sir. So, as y'all can see, call my boy Whooda. You know me, he know about cars and shit more than I know. So, he gonna help me get a goon van oil change. So, I'm about to go get in the shower, get dressed, go pull up on my mans, and we're gonna get it in. Y'all gonna see an oil change happen today. So, if you never knew how to oil change your car, today I'm gonna teach you how to oil change your car. With the homie Whooda, of course. Let's get it. Tap in. Yes, sir. I got Whooda here finally.
I'm doing my job, right?
So you know what you're doing. Because I don't want to be driving this motherfucker after you do what you do or show me how to do what to do and it just cut out on your boy. We gonna be all right?
We straight.
So what all we need to do to change the oil to this? What do we need to get?
We need first you need the oil.
Okay.
The oil filter.
Okay. That's two.
And that's it. Oh, and oil pan.
Oil pan.
Oil.
All right.
So niggas gonna get a fat ass ticket.
Sounds like we're gonna go over to O'Reilly's or AutoZone right now and get an oil pan, and we're gonna get it in. So
busy.
Let's get it. Tap in. We have made it to O'Reilly's Auto Parts. Whooda said he know what he doing.
You know what type of oil you take?
See, here you go. Here you go.
You supposed to know what type
Nigga, I
of
want
oil.
full synthetic. You know what I'm saying? I want to make sure.
You take 1030 or 1040.
Oh, yeah, I don't know that. So they gonna tell me at the front,
Yeah.
right?
I think you get 1040.
10?
Yeah, that's more that's heavy duty.
What's the best one though? Let's get the best oil. That's full synthetic.
This is
I thought we were supposed to do full synthetic, you know?
that's what you want?
Which one's the best one, bro? I don't know. I'm asking you to help me with the I don't know. If I knew how to do it myself, I wouldn't need you here. So what is the best you're supposed to put?
You can put this, 1040.
Alright.
That's what I said.
So I'm gonna ask them at the front desk too what's supposed to be the best oil to go in the car. But we're gonna trust Whooda right now though. Yo. Alright. What else you supposed to get? You said you got like a filter or something like that?
They're gonna give it to you.
Oh, okay, we on.
But then
Oh, we need the oil pan. Something like that? That's like a gas canister.
it's supposed to go.
Oh, we can close it and just throw it away.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Dump it out.
But this is big enough?
Yeah.
You think that's gonna go into the van?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. And now we gonna test it out.
Oh, we tested in the parking lot. All right. Yes, sir. I can hold something. I ain't gonna let you hold everything. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. So we'll tap in when we get to the front register and see what else we gotta get. Long time. So am I stupid for not knowing how to change the oil myself?
Nah. Yeah, please.
It's a 2008 E150 Ford. These motherfuckers hard though. Oh my god.
This is good oil, right?
So you're not supposed to have full synthetic oil?
2008 is optional.
Which better?
Synthetic always, because it has the synthetic technology on it.
So is this what that is?
No, that's the system.
Yes, sir.
All right. So how we get? Which one we need for that?
That's a black bottle.
Black bottle boy. See?
You already know it was good though.
No.
It was valid. You said it's optional.
He about to have me on the side of the highway. He gonna be on the side of the highway with me. Oh, fucked up. Black bottle boys.
How about these?
But they don't even have. But does it have to be? It's 10W.
Yeah, right here.
Which one?
1030.
It's,
That was 10.
well, what kind does the van need? What kind does my car need?
Well, it's usually 1030. California's 1030 because as the higher it goes, that's like when you live in states that snow. Customers don't know that.
So I do a lot of driving in that van. I do a lot of miles on it.
1030 is fine. Does it burn any oil? Or you have to keep adding any oil?
Nah, I haven't got oil.
Stay with 1030. That's cool.
So how many of these should I get? Oh, sip it.
1030 would be good.
Just one of those is fine? Oh, one and one.
One and one, and then you need an extra one.
1030 duck. Oh, there it is. Thank you. Yes, sir. See? The right shit. And you were all black today and didn't even want to get the black bottles. What's wrong with you?
I never used this oil personally. So.
What you trying to say? It's trash or something?
No. I never.
But anyway, the professionals said this is what we need, so that's what we gonna get. Yes, sir. How much are you?
57.84.
How much they usually charge to do an oil change? So they would charge me $75 if I was to go to someone else and have them do it, when I can just call my little homie,
Little big homie,
and buy him some food. And we can change the oil ourselves. So today you're gonna learn how to change oil. Let's get it. All right, we just got back to the house. We're making sure that it's not too hot. He said we might have to let it cool down for a little bit. We gonna motherfucking get up under this thing, and we're gonna show you guys how to change your oil today. I've never changed oil myself before. The only thing I've ever done myself on a car was change the alternator. Not this car, but when I had my Rego, before I crashed it, it's probably like a week before I crashed the Rego, I had to change the alternator, and I did that myself with the help of my grandpa. I did that. He taught me how to do that. But so today, Whooda gonna show me and y'all how to change the oil. So, let's get it cracking. Tap in. All right. Too big. All right, so at this very moment, we are under the whip. It's very hot under here. We successfully found the oil pin, right? That's what it's called?
Yes, sir.
So I'm gonna give y'all a closer look of what it looks like. So,
You're really not supposed to be doing it with this heater, FYI.
yeah, we don't have.
But,
I left the socket set at the crib. So,
But you know, this shall work. Hell yeah, I'm scared about the wind blowing.
it ain't gonna blow it.
Shit. There you go.
Oh damn. Oh, the wind is blowing that bitch.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
come this way some more.
Let me close it up some real quick. Oh, shit. Fuck it.
So we got the oil leaking out now. You gonna take that all the way off, or you just loosening it?
You gotta take it all the way off.
You should have put some.
Wait.
You tightened it back up, yeah. You should have put some gloves on.
Right.
All right, so it's gonna take this all the way off, and it takes about how long for the car to fully drain all the oil?
Probably about a couple minutes.
A couple minutes.
Yeah.
All right, so
Definitely needed some gloves.
I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna drain it, and then I believe this is the oil filter, right?
Once y'all can, this shit draining everywhere. That's why we need a socket.
That shit not hot? The oil not hot?
It's warm, yeah. But the socket acting like it don't want to come out. They gonna drop the oil all on us.
Well, this cartridge, I mean, this blanket is out of here.
And out of here too, shit.
Jesus.
Oh,
Damn, the wind just started picking up. Hold on. Yeah, bring him over here. Go ahead. You gotta hold out an angle. Jesus.
Come out already.
How long is it?
It just got all on my hand. It's over for this fucking. Move that bucket real quick.
Yeah, just go ahead, get loose. Yeah.
All right, there we go.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Mm-hmm.
The side. That motherfucker draining like a motherfucker. Is this bucket big enough?
Yeah, for sure. If you would have got that little pan, you would have been fucked over. That motherfucker would have been spilling all out the pan.
Look at your hand though. Yeah, I need some gloves. Fucked up the hat. Jesus Christ.
For real?
I touched the pipe under here or something.
Let me see. You burnt it?
It's not a black line.
Let me get that off.
If that motherfucker would have fell inside.
Right. Nigga would have fucked over. Now
Hey,
we're still
that
got.
motherfucker's gone.
Now we gotta take this.
Alright, so what's the next step in this?
Oil filter.
Oil filter is the white thing. This oil will come out of there too?
Hell yeah.
Oh.
Cause that holds oil.
Oh. Alright.
Cook this shit.
But how about we switch? You hold camera, let me do that. You feel me? Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Yup.
Alright, ready?
No, other way.
Go that way.
Yeah. Towards western.
No, that's tighten that, nigga.
It is? Okay.
Yeah. Yo, is it gonna splash everywhere? Oh, it's coming out.
Yeah. Oh, watch your jersey.
I know. And this shit hot. I ain't
Yeah.
oh, yeah.
Watch the jersey.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
He has joined the
Sometimes you gotta get your hands dirty too, you know what I'm saying?
team. He has joined the
Yes,
team.
sir. It didn't feel right having Whooda do it himself. I had to help him do it too. You know what I'm saying? So now, oh, and then this, I can just pour this in there, huh?
Yeah.
Damn it, there is oil in there.
Yes, sir.
I do see why they charge $75 to change your oil now.
Yeah.
I respect the dudes that do this now at another level. But next time we're gonna do it with gloves on.
Right.
We back. I had to stop and wash my hands real quick. You know it was that of a messy job. Pause. We got the oil filter, the new one. Ooh, and it's black. It's a master truck.
Yes, sir.
Oh God, that's harder than the white one. This is the right kind, right?
Yeah.
And yeah, we about to put this thing on, and you know, that'll be a wrap. I just want to look so damn big, bro. This one wider than that one.
Yeah, it's cool though. It's better.
Oh, all right, for sure. Oh yeah, fit on there. Oh god. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
No. Yes, sir.
It's, oh yeah, it's in there.
Good.
Yes, sir. So then what? Now what we do next?
Pour the oil
Put
in.
the oil in?
Yep.
All right, let's do it. So he doesn't have a funnel, so you're gonna make one out of that?
Yep.
How you gonna make it out of that?
Watch and learn, my brother.
Yes, sir. Please teach the youth and me.
Oh, shit.
Alright, Whooda, you might actually be able to land in the woods and survive. Hold on.
That's your funnel,
My little nigga might know how to do something with these hands.
Let me wash this out real quick.
Yeah, so we don't get no Gatorade in the engine, please.
You might need some Gatorade.
So he just took a Gatorade bottle and made a funnel out of it. That was fire. All right, so you know, Whooda know what he's doing a little bit.
Oh yeah.
What's up? Hey.
Powered by Gatorade too.
Yeah.
Holla at me, Gatorade.
Gatorade, we need that sponsorship.
Sure, because I'm buying Gatorades every day.
You know what I mean?
So we need a sponsorship.
So we're gonna speak this into existence. This oil change was brought to you by 2 World Gang and Gatorade and Whooda.
Powered by Gatorade.
There's a silver cap on top. Relax.
See what the Gatorade do.
No.
Little rookie mistake.
We're gonna try to start him up and make sure he don't blow up or nothing. Here we go. Cross your fingers. Yes, sir. And just like that, oil change performed by your boy Whooda and by me.
And we did that.
Yes, sir. Comment at the bottom if you've ever had an oil change your own car before, or if you go pay somebody to change the oil in your car. How much do you pay?
Holla at me.
Hey, yeah,
Show
the
me
homie charge. $30. We pull up, or the homie will pull up, $30, and he'll change the oil on your car. Comment at the bottom, hit the like button, subscribe, and share to your homies. Let's get it.
I tell them like, ooh, what is it like? Ooh, tell me what it's in like. Ooh, tell me what it's in like. Ooh, she gon' tell me what it's in like. Okay, I've been out the way and I've been minding my business. I told my girl this summer coming.